Welcome to Newfoundland Drone Productions. Well, this trip brings us to Old Man's Pond, back of Hughes's Brook in the North Shore Highway. It's only accessible through a woods road. It's about 17 kilometers deep in the woods. The woods roads were put there by the Corner Brook Pulp and Paper Mill years and years ago when they used to haul wood out of here. But it's so peaceful in there. There's no sounds of any cars, trucks, or anything. Just the sound of the water and the birds. Well, it's a beautiful morning on Old Man's Pond. We thought we'd go for a little paddle, go for a kayak. Actually, we were supposed to do this yesterday, but the winds and everything wouldn't cooperate with us, so we went this morning. When we started out, the water was like glass. You could see every reflection, as you can see. But I'm going to stay quiet here for a little while so you can enjoy the sounds and so on. Yeah, but please hit the like, subscribe, notification bell for more videos. As time went on, the waters got more rough. Actually, we just stopped on the beach here now for a little cook-up and something to eat. We were after paddling about 1.5 kilometers or 2 kilometers, I would guess. So we're going to stop on the beach here and have a little cook-up. So as I sped this up 20 times, so you wouldn't have to deal with us cooking and so on. What we had today to eat was hot dogs and noodles, and that's all we had for on the beach. It was something to eat anyways. Yeah. As we pack up here, just a friendly reminder, when you go in the woods, take in what you take in, take out. Don't leave a big mess for someone else to clean up. So as we head back here, the waters were really rough. You'll see a bit of water splashing over the top of the boat coming back at me. But we made it back nice and fine, safe and sound. But it was a hard struggle going upwind. We were pushing real hard and we weren't getting very far. But we made it. As you see here, we were paddling pretty hard. If you made it this far in the video, thank you. And if you're a new subscriber, my name is Bill. Thanks for joining us in our adventure today. And please hit the subscribe button, notification bell for more videos. But thanks for joining me, and thanks for all the support.